Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Girl, and in this video I'm going to share few amazing Black Friday deals that are going on and really good for the coaches, course creators who are planning to launch online, or maybe they have been taking one-on-one classes, one-on-one coaching sessions, and now they are planning to build a structured go online and automate their lead and sales generation process. So this video is for you. If you have been looking for an all-in-one platform so that you can reduce the number of platforms, number of subscriptions, and to manage, integrate, automate all the platforms together, then I think Kajabi is an amazing online platform for you. Even I use it for myself, and it will give you everything you need for your business, starting from landing pages, websites. You can have courses, funnels, contacts, customers. You can have, membership coaching program. You can have affiliates. You can even do an online event through Kajabi. You can also have a branded app within Kajabi. And don't forget that you can have email marketing, email sequences. Everything that your business needs is there, and it's one click template allow you to create a sales funnel with just one click, and there are a lot of funnels option over there in Kajabi. Now, they are giving 50% off on all the plans. As you can see that you can start with 27 USD one. It's the starter one. You can start as low as per month, and this offer is for 6 months only. But if you sign up using my link, which is given in the description, you can get it for 12 months. So you can choose the plan and get started right away. And I'll show you what all things you can do in Kajabi. See, you can create courses, coaching, community, podcast, newsletter, even the digital download products. Then you can have your payments, checkout pages, created coupons, affiliates, everything. Then you can have a website, you can have landing pages, you can have a blog, there's a branded app option, there is email campaign funnels, automation, events form. You can create an evergreen pre-recorded masterclass or a live event as well. Contacts, analytics to see how your pages are performing, but I will recommend connecting it with Google Analytics because that gives you the precise information about your page performance or the website performance. You have plenty of option in Kajabi to do it. In Contacts, you have even option to create assessment pages, forms, and insights, how your contacts are performing, everything. So this is what you get when you get inside Kajabi with just 27 USD starting price. Then ConvertKit. If you are not planning to launch an online course, or you don't have any plans to do any coaching program as of now, no websites, you just want to grow your email list first, and you want to sell one-on-one coaching sessions, or maybe you want to sell your digital downloads, then ConvertKit, Kit, which is formerly ConvertKit, is the best option. They are giving away 1 year of ConvertKit, Kit for just 76 USD per year. So for 1 year, you get it just for 76 USD, which is like, which is like very, very cheap, like 6 to 7 USD per month, and you can have access to everything as the basic plan has it. So I would recommend, if you are just starting out and your focus is on the growing your email list, connecting with your audience and sell digital downloads or one-on-one sessions, then this is perfect. And it also has a newsletter edition option as well for your audience. Another is Launch in Style. So Launch in Style, as they are very famous for their templates, they have got a lot of templates, Kajabi templates, Canva templates, they've got copy templates, they've got Thrivecart templates. So if you are looking for any of these templates, you can, I'm going to share this link as well in the bio. You can use the code BF2024 and you can get the discount right away before midnight, December 2nd. Then one of my friends, Sneha, she is having an amazing deal as well on the Kajabi template. So you can see which one do you like design wise and what is your preference, the budgeting. So she has got Kajabi website templates. You can explore, you can choose which one suits you. So if you are starting out with Kajabi and you don't have a budget to hire a designer, developer, a copywriter, and this option gives you everything because her websites also have copy prompts. So if you see the demo, here there are a lot of prompts that you can use to complete your website design by yourself, and you also get these pretty images as the Canva template where you can replace these images with your own images, plus you get video tutorials about how to edit all these pages. So go to description, check all these links, plus if you buy through any of my offers, send me an email with the receipt of the purchase that you have purchased using my link, and I'll check it. If yes, I'm going to give you one-on-one 60-minute Zoom consultation call where you can either ask me any of the question, how you set up Kajabi, and if you sign up using my Kajabi link, you get 1 year of tech support per month for 1 hour. So 1 hour every month, I'll be doing tech support for your Kajabi. And if you buy any of these templates and convert kit, you get 60-minute Zoom session where I'll answer all your question. And if you're buying convert kit or the kit, I'm going to do an initial setup with you so that you are ready to launch. So comment below if you have any question about these Black Friday deals. I'm ready to answer them. Please act fast. These are the lifetime bonuses which I have seen since 2017. I started working online. I haven't seen these offers before that. So before they go, grab it. And so if you are a Kajabi hero and you don't need any of these templates or Kajabi because you're already there, but if you're looking for some of the done for you services from me as a Kajabi expert, you can check out my page and choose the offer which you really like. This is VIP day where we get all your Kajabi backend things done in a day. Then we have Kajabi 101 Zoom session. So if you want an expert to get on a Zoom call and answer a few of your questions or help you fix something, it is for you. You also get a pre-recorded session as well. Then this one is a lead generation funnel. It can be a webinar funnel, pre-recorded masterclass. It can be an ebook funnel or any, I'll say, application funnel. We are going to set it up for you in Kajabi at 100 USD off discount. So let me know if any of this service is something you want for your Kajabi website or your account. So I'll be very happy to help you out, and you can comment if you have any question. All the links are given in the description. Thank you so much. Looking forward to hear from you or get connected with you. Bye bye.